Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to edit 𝐼𝐸𝐸 preset. But first, here are some example photos.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highway.
Okay, let's go editing. First, go to Light and adjust exposure to 0.3. Then contrast to 70. And highlight to -40. And 25 for shadow. Then white to -70. Black to 20. Okay, then go to curve and copy this form. Done. Now let's go to color. Adjust the vibrance to 30. And saturation to 16. Then go to color mix. In red color, adjust red saturation to -20. Then -10 for luminance. An orange color. Change orange hue to -10. Orange saturation to -30. Then orange luminance to 10. In yellow color, adjust yellow hue to -100. Yellow saturation to 30. And also yellow luminance to 30. In green, cyan, blue, purple, magenta color, adjust saturation only to -100. Done. Now let's go to effects. Adjust texture to 15. and clarity to 50. Dehis to 40. And -40 for big neck. Lastly, change the feather to 80. Then, go to split tone and adjust the highlight hue to 220 and highlight saturation to 10. Done. Then let's go to details. Adjust noise reduction to 15. And color noise reduction to 35. We're done. Now, let's copy this preset to another photo. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you've learned something helpful in this tutorial. I'd appreciate guys if you hit subscribe and bang the bell button. Thank you. And see you in the next video.